the 17th of November 2021 we have Selkämerenkatu Pottenhouse Katan 6 staircase. Be here in Ruoholahti in Helsinki as for Finland. It's really difficult because they have different codes to these staircases here.
Yeah.
But we'll try to find them. It's built in 1993, so 25 years old in 2018, and the number is B1 in the 1185. We'll be inspecting in 2023 with 6 months. I like this speed here.
Same.
And the smell is great.
Yeah.
It's still quite fresh also.
Yeah.
It's possibly early 1993.
Spektiittaakin meitä taisi tuon hissi.
Because the building 4 is the first one in Ruoholahti, finished at 93, but late 1992 coming on.
Yeah.
Because there is no late 1992 novel here.
Mm.
It's been checked. But there could have been, of course.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you very much, folks. I have also made mistakes E here, so.
Yeah. Tai filmit.
And you can film it.
Yeah, that's it.